Uber killed its self-driving program after a fatal crash. Then it made a reversal. Stop building the driver. Own the marketplace every driver needs.
Ride request splits toward multiple autonomous fleets. The proof is already moving passengers, and Uber has a 35,000 car bet waiting behind it.
So, did Uber retreat from autonomy? Or find the better moat?
It found the cheaper position. Waymo carries Uber riders in Austin. WeRide runs driverless service in Abu Dhabi.
Wait, those are somebody else's cars and somebody else's technology.
Exactly. Uber stopped risking the company on one self-driving system. Now it can test several against real demand. Fleet counter ticks across 3 cities.
Okay, but that sounds like Uber became a middleman. Uber logo compresses into a small booking button.
Only if it provides nothing beyond the booking. Uber also brings dispatch, payments, charging, cleaning, maintenance.
The boring work.
The boring work that decides whether a fleet operates tomorrow morning. Timeline flips from 11 p.m. maintenance to 7 a.m. pickup.
That's Marta Nowakowska. Marta, Uber claims more than 30 autonomous partners. Please don't read me the wedding seating chart.
3 examples then. Waymo supplies proven robotaxis. Lucid supplies vehicles for Uber's 35,000 car plan. Flytrex supplies delivery drones.
Those aren't even the same business.
That's the point. The full map has layers: driving systems, vehicle makers, fleet operators, freight, delivery, and computing.
Each layer gives Uber something different. Technology choice, vehicle supply, local operations, more trip types, or cheaper infrastructure.
Or high deployments comparison to the cargo on the street, with the Noki.
And what does Uber give all of them?
Customers. A partner can enter a city without first convincing millions of people to download another app.
But Waymo has its own app. Its Uber partnership has already contracted. Doesn't that expose the whole strategy?
Yes, that's the central risk. The best operator may decide Uber's demand is useful only until its own marketplace works.
So, Uber's defense is simple. Make plugging in cheaper than leaving.
Then show me one decisive test, not 5 forecasts.
Austin. Uber and Waymo promised a real commercial service, and vehicles are actually accepting paid rides through the Uber app. That closes the first gap. Announcement to operation.
Promised. Operating.
But it doesn't prove scale. One vehicle icon sits against a huge city grid.
Right. Scale means enough operating vehicles to cut wait times and cost per trip. Not a pilot fleet posing for footage.
And the giant forecasts?
Treat them as receipts, not reality. Orders and city targets show intent. Weekly completed autonomous trips show whether the machine is working.
So the verdict, Uber may have a moat, but it isn't the cars. It's aggregated demand plus the operating layer around them.
Animated network forms a ring around the rider counter. The single metric that could disprove it is partner-supplied autonomous trips completed through Uber.
If that stalls, or partners move those trips into their own apps, the moat disappears.
Next, we test that metric. Which Robotaxi partners are actually sending rides to Uber and which are quietly building the exit? Marta, this was genuinely great. Thank you for coming on. Listeners, if you enjoyed this interview, like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next conversation. See you there.